Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. We are back at it. We are in the account and we are buying assets each and every single day. As you can see here, we have a lot of buying power available and I'm going to show you why. This week, we had a new fund that was launched and it's AMZY. This is another yield max fund and we are going to be adding this to the account. We already bought a little bit of shares, but we are going to be buying even more today. If you are new here, what I am doing is I built this account in February. I started it in February with $0, and I'm building it from the ground up, completely transparent, showing all my buys, all my sells, all my dividends, all my drip, everything that I am possibly doing in this account. And my goal is to get it to $100 a month in pure passive dividend income. And I tell you what, we got really close this month, and we'll go over that. But we are grinding each and every single day. We are buying stocks each and every single day. And we are building this account. For the day, we were up a little bit. For the week, we're up about 0.5%. For the month, we're up almost 6%. 3 months, we're up almost 7%. And then year to date, as we said, we saw that we brought this account into, we started this account at the start of February. And we are up about 6.5%. So no history before then. We have buying power. We have a lot of stuff that is going on in the account. On the side, what I am doing, and I've showed you guys a little bit of this, I trade a lot of options in my other accounts. So what I did is I enabled margin on this, and I'm selling cash secure puts on the margin. And if you never get assigned, you never pay any interest on any of the margin. So it's pretty free money. I've been doing it for over a year in my big account. And as you can see here, it's pretty lucrative. I mean, that's $40 I made this week so far trading options on this. I can close all these out right now and that'd be an extra $40. So I'm doing this to just boost the account, showcase a little bit of my option plays. The greatest part about the stock market is you can do whatever you want for your strategy. You can do dividends only. You can do a mixture of options and dividends. You can do options only. You can be a buy and hold investor. I mean, you really can choose what you want to do. So I do a little bit of everything. I like to slice and dice it. This is a dividend only portfolio, in the sense that I only own dividend stocks, and the options is just helping me buy more and more stocks. So that's where we're at in the account. We're sitting at just over $11,000, and again, our buying power is $604. It does say 1,000, but that's because of the margin. You can see my option collateral is about $5,300 right there. So $600 in buying power, and you are going to see what we're going to do. So today is going to be my yield max day. The yield max usually pays out towards the middle of next month in August. I want to make sure that we secure it. And let's actually jump over real quick to our Purple Brick app and let's take a look. So we want to go to the month of August. Right now it's projecting us at $103, but it is using last month's data. So once we start getting some of the new fund data in terms of the ex-dividend or the dividends that are going to be coming in this month, it'll give us a more accurate picture. But right now it's looking like we're going to be right around 100. But this is what I'm talking about. So this TSLY and OARK, you can see the upcoming ex-dividend date is August 4th. So I want to make sure my money's in before then. Next week we go into August already. Next Friday is August 4th. So I just want to make sure I have everything ready to go. And I want to make it a yield max kind of day today. But yeah, you can see here, I mean, it's already projecting Tesla paying us over $30, OARK paying us $12. So it's looking really strong there. And if you want to look at the account overall, my dividend income is $1,300 annually as of right now, which if you break that down is $114 a month on average and $3.77 a day. Yes, you heard that right. $3.77 on average I'm getting paid each and every single day of the year. That is incredible. That is the power of what we're doing. That is dividends compounding. And let's get in and let's buy some stocks before we do anything else. So we're back into the account. We have buying power available, and we are going to start it off with TSLY. This is a yield max option income fund. As of right now, we have about 5% of the portfolio. We're pretty much break even on this with the cost being $16.54, and we are going to be making some big purchases today. Whoa, not 100 shares though. We are going to be doing $100. Boom. $100. This is going to pick us up a good amount of shares. See if we can get this to go through 5.88 shares. I love to see that. So now we're about 6% of the portfolio. Again, this is going to change as we keep buying stuff, but We are up 1.8, $1.84, now 2.59. So this is going to jump around, but we have 38 shares. If things were to stay true, I think we got paid. Yeah, we got paid 1.07. So if we take that by 38, if all things stayed equal this month, we'd be getting over $40. Of over $40 just on this one alone, if in dividends this next month if things stayed equal. Let's jump into our next one. This is going to be on NVDY. So this is an option income ETF, and this is on NVIDIA. We are we're down a little bit, so we get to actually average down. I'd love to see that. And we are doing $100 again. So it's saying it's going to buy us just over 4 shares. I love to see that. The more shares we have, the more dividends we get, the bigger our drip is, and the more the account grows. So 19.93 shares there. Oh my gosh, actually let me just buy like $10 more. I just want to round that off so that we actually get dividend on the 20 shares. Let's see if that does it. Yeah, it should do it. Cool. So we have 20 shares. The reason why I did that is because we were so close to have 20 shares, and we won't get paid out for that the high 19. So NVDY added, so that is 200 added to the account here. Now we are going to go to OARK. This is on Kathy Wood's fund, ARK Invest, and right now we are up 2.8% on this one. So this one is looking good. What are we doing? Yeah, we're doing 100. So we're doing 100 into this one as well. Average keeping things very simple. We're adding 5.9 shares there. And that sits us at 27.57 shares, 4.23% of the account. But as you can see, we are continuing to add each and every single week, 27 shares on OARK. Now we're going to jump over to Apples. These are all new. They've been less than a year, so we really don't know the longevity of these funds. But so far, I've really liked the dividends, and this is a pure dividend play for me. Okay, yeah, this is the one you have to do full shares. So we're going to do $89 here. We did a 10 extra on the other one, so really we're still averaging $100 in each one of these, which is what I wanted to do today with the $500. Just like that, 4 shares purchased. And APLY, we now have 19 shares sitting. This is a lower one, sitting at 3.81% of the portfolio. But still, this fund continues to pay. You can see our dividend on this one paid. I'm not sure why it skipped. Oh, maybe because we didn't have enough, because you can only buy full shares. That's good to know. I'll have to look into that. But we have 14 shares there. It paid $8.86, and then as you saw, we have to have enough to be able to buy a full share, and this is $22. So we have quite a hill to climb in order to do that. No worries. And then why we are making this video is because Amazon has a new one, and it is AMZY. This one came out just this week. It is actually down as of right now. As you can see, this literally just came out, and this is a Yield Max option income fund on Amazon. Really want to see how this. I sell options on my big account, as you guys see on this, each and every single week, and it pays up actually a pretty good premium. So I'm excited to see how this one goes. We are jumping in, and we are buying $100 of this right off the bat. That's going to buy us 5 shares. So that'll put us just under 10 shares in the account. Yeah, 10 shares right on the bat. Love to see that. So this is 1.7% of the portfolio. This is our newest add to the portfolio. So it is a smaller position. But this is the new one. This is hopefully, what I've been seeing is between 2 and 4% each and every single month on these Yield Max funds. Now they're going to go up. They're going to go down on TSLY. It's averaging 85 cents a share. And that's the highest yield of all of them. And if you trade options on Tesla, which I do, you can see that there's a lot of liquidity, a lot of volatility in the stock, and a lot of premiums that come along with trading that. So that's why that one pays so much. Amazon does move quite a bit, but we will see where this one comes in. I'm hoping at least the 2% each and every single month, which would give you 24% a year in dividends. But we will see. So just like that, we went through $500 of buying power. We added TSLY, we added NVIDIA, Amazon, OARK, and APLY, all on the Yield Max fund, so they have a Y on the end. And And then let's jump into the dividends real quick here for the account. Because we are at the end of the month, we can just get a synopsis here. We went to 96.37. And you can see where a lot of this is coming from. If you look at the end of this, you have TSLY, NVDY, OARK, APLY, and AMZY, which we just added. You can see the difference between June and July there. I mean, jumping from $5 to $32, $0 to $14, $0 to $11, and $0 to $8. We really made a stride there, and we almost hit our goal. I thought we were going to get it done. We still have one more that's coming in. That's going to be Devo. Should come in at the very end of the month. But given what I'm looking at from $1 to $2, we didn't add a whole lot to Devo, so we'll probably be around that $2 mark. So we'll probably come in right around the 98, just barely missing our goal of the $100. But it makes me excited that we might be able to get it done in August. You can see just the growth here from $14 actually really 81 cents to $8 to $14 to $20 to $58 to now $96. What will August have in store for us? I'm thinking $100. If you want to see the proof of the dividends, I will show you here. We can scroll through them quickly. Let's see, July, there we go. So July started off with JEPI, which we added to last week. So JEPI, JEPQ, AGNC, Main, O, ARC, STAG, NVIDIA, Apple, Tesla, PSEC, SPHD, which is the one coming in, and then GLAD is also coming in at the end of the month. Those are the dividends for the account. They are all reinvested outside of this APLY. And like you said, it doesn't support fractional, like we were talking about, it doesn't support fractional sharing. So it just credits to my account balance, and then we go from there. And eventually, you know, we'll be able to get to that point where we can drip an entire share, but we're not there yet, so no worries. And maybe if the fund continues to get more volume, that'll change as well. But this is the account. That's the update. We added, you know, a bunch of money to the account this week. I think we can probably actually see, yeah. So you can see this month we've added a lot of money, 150, 100, 100, 100. And then I did 400 this morning as well. So not bad. We continue adding each and every single week, and we keep at it, buying assets, increasing our dividend income, and increasing our passive income each and every single week. Thank you everybody for the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps a lot, especially with small YouTubers trying to build their channels and trying to showcase what they're doing each and every single week. Thanks everybody. Happy investing, and we'll see you later.